You finally stop. No noise, no pressure, no one asking anything from you. For a brief moment, everything feels quiet, almost peaceful. But then something shifts. A strange tension begins to creep in. Your chest tightens slightly, and your thoughts begin whispering that you should be doing something right now. It feels subtle at first, but it grows louder with every second of stillness. You suddenly remember unfinished tasks, missed opportunities, and the fear of falling behind. Instead of resting, you reach for your phone or open a random app just to escape the silence. Doing nothing starts to feel uncomfortable, almost dangerous. But why does this happen? Why does your brain resist rest when your body clearly needs it? The answer is not laziness or lack of discipline. It goes much deeper, rooted in how your brain is wired to protect you from threats you may not even see. Your brain is not designed to make you happy. It is designed to keep you alive. That means it constantly scans for danger, even when no real threat exists. For most of human history, rest was risky. If your ancestors stopped moving for too long, they became vulnerable to predators, starvation, or losing their place in the group. Survival depended on staying alert and active. Because of this, your brain developed a simple rule: keep moving to stay safe. Even though your life today is completely different, your brain still follows that ancient rule. It does not understand that you are safe sitting on your couch. It reacts as if stillness is exposure. So when you try to rest, your brain becomes active instead of calm. It searches for problems and creates urgency, making you feel like stopping is not an option anymore at all. When your brain cannot find an external threat, it creates one internally. That is why your thoughts become louder the moment you slow down. You suddenly start worrying about things that did not bother you earlier. Small concerns feel bigger, and your mind begins to race without control. This is not random. It is your brain trying to keep you alert. It believes that if you stay aware of potential problems, you can avoid danger. But in today's world, this constant alertness does more harm than good. Instead of protecting you, it keeps you trapped in stress. Rest becomes difficult because your brain associates it with losing control. The silence gives space for thoughts you usually ignore, and that feels uncomfortable. So your mind pushes you back into activity, not because you need to work, but because it wants to escape the discomfort of stillness and uncertainty. There is another layer to this problem, and it comes from your personal experiences. If you grew up in an environment where being busy meant being valuable, your brain learned to connect productivity with worth. Maybe you were praised when you achieved something and ignored when you rested. Over time, this created a belief that you must always be doing something to matter. So when you stop, it does not just feel unfamiliar, it feels wrong. Rest becomes a threat to your identity. You begin to question your value when you are not producing results. Even if you are exhausted, your mind tells you to keep going. This is why many people feel guilty when they try to relax. It is not because rest is bad, but because their brain has learned to see it as a loss of purpose instead of something necessary. This is also why your mind becomes loudest at night or in quiet moments. When there are no distractions, everything you have been avoiding starts to surface. Thoughts, emotions, and unresolved stress all come forward at once. It can feel overwhelming, like your mind is working against you, but in reality, it is simply revealing what has been hidden. Rest removes the noise of the outside world, and that exposes the noise inside you. For many people, this is the real reason they avoid stillness. It is easier to stay busy than to face uncomfortable thoughts. So your brain creates a cycle. It keeps you active to avoid discomfort, but that constant activity prevents you from ever truly recovering. Over time, this leads to exhaustion, not because you are doing too much, but because you are never allowing yourself to fully rest and reset properly. Without rest, your brain cannot function at its best. It becomes slower, more reactive, and more sensitive to stress. You may notice that small problems start to feel bigger, and simple decisions become harder to make. Your focus weakens, and your energy drops even if you continue working. This happens because your brain needs time to recover and process information. Rest is not a waste of time. It is part of how your mind stays strong. When you ignore this need, you create imbalance. You keep pushing forward without giving your brain a chance to reset. Over time, this leads to burnout. Not the kind that happens suddenly, but the kind that builds slowly until you feel constantly tired and unmotivated. The problem is not effort itself. The problem is effort without recovery, which your brain was never designed to handle for long.
The good news is that your brain can change. It is not fixed in this pattern forever. It can learn that rest is safe, but only if you give it a different experience. You cannot force your brain to relax instantly because it has spent years believing that stillness is dangerous. When you try to rest, it will resist at first. Your thoughts will become louder, and your body may feel restless. This is normal. It does not mean something is wrong. It means your brain is reacting to a change in routine. Instead of escaping that feeling, you need to stay with it for a little longer each time. Slowly, your brain begins to understand that nothing bad happens when you pause. That realization is the first step toward breaking the cycle and allowing rest to feel natural again.
At first, these moments of stillness may feel uncomfortable, even unsettling. You might feel the urge to check your phone or start a task just to escape the silence. But if you resist that urge and stay present, something begins to shift. The intensity of your thoughts starts to fade, and the tension in your body slowly decreases. This does not happen instantly, but it happens consistently if you allow it. Your brain begins to adapt to the idea that rest is not dangerous. It starts to reduce the sense of urgency it creates. Over time, the same silence that once felt uncomfortable begins to feel calming. This is how you retrain your mind, not through force, but through repetition. By staying in stillness long enough to show your brain that it is safe, you create a new pattern that replaces the old one. As this new pattern develops, you begin to notice changes in how you think and feel. Your mind becomes clearer, and your thoughts feel less overwhelming. You are able to focus better and make decisions with more confidence. Instead of reacting to everything, you start responding with intention. This is the power of rest. It allows your brain to organize information and regulate emotions. Without it, everything feels chaotic. With it, everything becomes more manageable. You also start to feel more present in your daily life. Instead of constantly thinking about what comes next, you can actually experience the moment you are in. This shift may seem small, but it has a huge impact over time. It changes the way you approach challenges, relationships, and even your goals, making everything feel more balanced and less stressful overall.